Angel, welcome back to the video. If you're new, my name is Aisha Marie, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for you both for clicking on today's video. In today's video, we're going to be doing something a little different, honey, okay? We are going to be unwinding, okay? Is that a word, unwinding? I think it's unwinding. Unwinding, that's what because I'm gonna drink some wine, okay? We're gonna unwind. What I'm gonna be drinking is this Taylor Port Marsala, and this is gonna be my first time trying it out. I'm not gonna drink a lot because your girl gotta go to work, so I think this is good. This is good. It smells sweet. It's good. I like it. My skin is really ugh right now. My lips are ugh. It just needs some loving and just some gentle TLC to it because your girl is a working girl. I need to work on this skin. That's what I need to be working on. So today we are going to be working on this canvas, honey. This is an art fixture, okay? I like to apply on my accessories. First accessory I'm about to apply is this head wrap. I got both of these from Amazon. So this is just a head wrap for a shower, facials, putting on makeup. And then these little wrist cuffs also came from Amazon, and you just put these on whenever you're washing your face and the water just trickles down. It doesn't get on your clothes or it doesn't just run down on your skin. Y'all, these lips, they crusty. I'm gonna be using my honey scrub from Aesthetica Cosmetics. I will link it down below if she has any available, and this tastes so good. Scrubbing your lips is just going to overall exfoliate all the dead skin off while also bringing blood flow to your lips, which is going to cause a natural lip injection, lip enhancer, lip plump. So I just got done rubbing this all on my lips. Now I'm just going to rinse this off with some cool water. Look at all that blood just flowing now to my lips. It's such a huge difference. They are now a little bit more plump and a little bit more voluptuous. That's what I want and need. Don't nobody want to be looking at nobody crusty lips, okay? Okay, honey, let's get into the conversation. So if you all have not watched my latest upload, my nighttime routine, what are you doing? Go check it out after you're done watching this video. I want to thank everybody who commented on that video and just embraced what I was saying in regards to becoming feminine. Like, these past couple of videos, I have been receiving so much love and appreciation. I'm truly so thankful. So right now I'm just applying this snail mucin. Y'all know I love this stuff. I mean, I should really be applying some oil to my face being that I'm about to shave it, but I really like the way that this makes my skin feel. It has like a really slick consistency when I'm going in and I'm shaving. Just gonna go in using this blade that I get from Amazon as well. I try to stay away from like my problematic areas, which is my chin and my forehead. Really more so on my chin because I break out, like I have hormonal breakouts there. Okay, so now that my canvas has now been shaved, I am now going to cleanse. So the cleanser that I like to use is the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. I talk about this on my channel all the time. Most of the time, cleansers dry out my skin, and I already have dry skin. Any cleanser that I feel as though is gentle enough to still keep that moisture there, I love. I really want to get into the milk cleansers and like the oil-based cleansers. I really am into K-Beauty. If you don't know what K-Beauty is, that stands for Korean Beauty. I love Korean Beauty. I love the glass-like skin look. It just looks so dewy, so healthy. But I'm gonna go in with the cleanser on dry skin, and I'm going to be oh so gentle. But because my face is so freaking fat and plump, like, this is my gentle. But I want to continue the conversation from my nighttime pamper routine on being feminine. So a lot of girls were commenting. It really kind of like saddened me a little bit to hear so many women to feel a certain way about themselves. And I had one girl, her comment was like, oh yeah, because I said, like, in order to be, not in order, but what has helped me when becoming feminine was just to remain like goofy and like not take life so seriously. Her comment, she was like, I'm older than you and I'm still goofy and I need to grow out of it. And it's like, girl, no. I comment back and I was like, girl, you're charismatic. Like, what? Imagine being 60, 70, 80, 90 years old and still having the life of laughter, or like the urge to just still be so happy and go through life happily and joyful. You know, like that is a true blessing. So don't ever feel like, oh, you need to grow up because it makes other people feel uncomfortable that you're genuinely happy. See, like it's running down, and I just love how it just catches all the water. A lot of you all are downplaying, saying, oh, I'm not feminine or whatever, and it's like, you watching these type of videos, do you know what that does to your mental? You are what you watch. Like, you are what you eat. You are who you hang around. Like, it's still the same thing. Like, you watching these type of videos, you're going to subconsciously inherit little things. Like, it may not be play by play, like you're not going to do everything that I do. You want to take away certain things and put your own little spin to it, and subconsciously your mind is, with your help, become the thing that you desire. And if you want to be feminine, you can be feminine. It doesn't have to be pink, it doesn't have to be all girly and glitz and glam. It doesn't have to be that by no means, but whatever that is to you. Like, for me, I feel as though I am like a dark feminine. I really kind of don't want to really get so deep into it, because I'm, like I told y'all, I'm figuring out what works out for me, what I like and don't like about being feminine. You know, I'm learning stuff as I go, so I don't really want to dive so deep into it. But I've realized that I have my moments where I love pink and glitz and glamour, and then I have my moments where I'm just like in my dark feminine, where I'm mysterious and I know how to be silent and rest in my femininity and not have to be so loud and outspoken and smiling. And you know, like, it's a lot to digest. I know it's a lot because I'm going through it, and it's a lot. Like, it's a lot. So now that I cleansed my face, I'm going to rinse this off with some cool water, and then I'll be back. The next product that I'm going to go in with is this Ready Steady Glow AHA Lotion Tonic by the company Ren, and I use this as a toner. I'm just gonna put some of it in my hands. You want those noises to be made when you're hitting your skin with products. You're gonna get that blood flowing, and it's like letting your skin know, like, hey, I need you to start activating. I need you to start soaking this in for me. Right after that, I'm gonna go in with this Good Molecules Overnight Exfoliating Treatment, and this has ANH and BHA in it. I said ANH. I meant AHA and BHA. And I just take maybe like 4 drops of this. You wanna do that right after your toner, because toner and like the medical treatments for your skin work perfectly together. It's best that you get those in right on time, right behind the other. And then to help dry, I'm gonna use my feather fan, honey. Another thing that I wanted to comment on for being feminine is to heal. And it's nothing more sexier than a woman who has healed herself. Another thing that I've noticed is healing is forever, in my opinion, going to be a ongoing process, because life happens. Don't just think that you're going to do this healing and nothing is ever going to try you ever again, because that is not true. You get tested every day, believe it or not. You're gonna get tested every day to truly see. You saying you're healed? Okay, all right, let's see how healed you are. I'm not gonna go back in with this snail mucin, and like I said, it has really good slick consistency, and I like it because the benefits is also good as well for the texture of your skin, like removing all of the imperfections of the bumps and rough textures, and it also helps with lightening certain areas as well. So I think I'm going to use this Soothing Hydra Solution. Let me say this, if you're really into somebody, and when I say really into them, I mean genuinely like want to see, and the rest of this I'm gonna put on my hands, like you want something deeper with a person, have a conversation, have genuine conversation. Let me say that, have genuine conversation. The one thing that I feel is really sexy is when a person is listening to you. They're actually taking the time to understand what you're saying and allowing you to speak. And it's been scientifically proven that women speak more than men. So if you're interested in a male, allow a male to talk. Ask questions and be genuinely interested, because they don't run into that often. So you're already going to be seeming 100 times different from the other girls or the other women, because you genuinely want to hear what he has to say and his viewpoints on life and his upbringing and what he's doing right now and how he's feeling. And you know, but don't get me wrong, people aren't just going to open up to you right away. You have some people who do, but other times it takes a while. That's what I was saying when I said I am more of like the dark feminine, because I'm so deep. My personality is deep. Everything about me is just deep. Like my emotions are deep, my love is deep, my passion, I'm just a deep person. I like having deep conversations. But yeah, like if you really feel somebody, if you really liking them, actually enjoy the conversation, appreciate the conversation. I appreciate majority of all of my conversations. What is it called? It's like a saposexual. Let me find the song. It's by like Tussie. I can't pronounce nothing. Is his name Tussie?
She like somebody who next. Well, I'ma be there when the time come. I'ma set your sex flexible, baby girl. I'll make you mine come.
So yeah, if I could sit and talk to you for hours and the conversation is just flowing and it's 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 just like, dang, like where did the time go? You know, I don't have a best friend. And comment down below, do y'all have a best friend? I have like guy friends, I have guy best friends, but when it comes to like a female, I don't have a female best friend, and I want it so bad. Like I don't want it so bad, and maybe this is like God just keeping me in this still position to where I need to get to know myself a little more. You know, as you have a little bit more healing you need to do, and that's fine, that's okay. I hope she's working on herself just like I'm working on myself, because I want it to be like a forever thing. Like I want us to be like this. I'm excited. She's coming. She's on my vision board, so I know she's gonna be coming pretty soon, and I just want her to be genuine. I want her to be God driven. I mean, yeah. So this mask is masking, honey. She's masking. I'm gonna take the rest of this and I'm gonna like bring it all on my chest, honey. Let that soak in. I'm not gonna mess with it. And I'm gonna put the rest like on my hand. Let me show you my press-ons. They're so freaking cute. I love press-ons. Ooh, this mask is really good. I'm gonna try to link it for you down below. But look how much life has been brought back into my skin. More life, more power. What Callie said.
More love, more blessings, more life.
That's besides the point. We finna get now into this serum, yeah, okay? So the next product that I'm gonna use on my face is this Discoloration Correction Serum from Good Molecules. And this has been my go-to serum, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie, I've been telling y'all this on several of my videos, and this is not sponsored. Good Molecules, if you wanna sponsor your girl, you know the email. I'm just gonna pat in, and I really only focus on my problem areas, which is my forehead and my chin. The last product that I'm gonna put on is just for my skin barrier. Without a skin barrier, AKA moisturizer, AKA a thicker consistency cream, your skin is going to either have wrinkles on it, you're gonna age faster, acne, breakouts, pimples, you know, all of these things that are the reason as to why we try to combat that. So what's the point of doing a whole skincare routine if you don't seal it in by adding a nice thick layer of cream? And by doing this, it's gonna also help by just locking all that moisture in. That way the moisture is able to penetrate and have a nice timely manner of getting in there and doing the job. So for my creamer today, I'm gonna go in with this La Roche-Posay. I don't know how to say this. Lipikar Eczema Soothing Relief Cream. Like I stated before, I do have really dry skin. So anything that is good for eczema or just overall dry skin, my skin loves it. It just sucks it all up, honestly. But y'all know I love my Aquaphor. Y'all know I love my Aquaphor. I would never do Miss Aquaphor wrong, honey. But I want something that's actually targeted to moisturize while also helping with my skin routine. You want that fattiness. Like, I love the fattiness. Like, look at my cheeks. My cheeks are fat. So, honey, I need to be looking like a glazed donut. I don't need to be looking like no scone. I don't want to be looking like a plain dry donut. Give me the top tier. I want to be the people's first choice. There you have it. A nice, clean, fresh, baby smooth, glass-like skin routine. If you all are interested in any of these products, be sure to check the description down below. Also, on the topics that we talked about today, honey, please put your input in the comment section. I want to have a conversation with y'all. As always, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I always enjoy making this content. I love you all so much. You all make my day. Every second, every comment. First off, let's start there. Every comment, y'all are all unique. It makes no sense. What did Beyonce say? Unique. Enjoy your upcoming week, and I love you much. Bye.